Good morning, students. Today we will learn the further journal entries. In the previous lectures, we have studied the journal entries related to interest on loan as well as the rent paid to the partners. Now, the net profit is calculated from profit and loss account and then it is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. As we know that the profit and loss account is prepared by all the organizations to know the net profit or the net loss, whereas profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to distribute the profits among the partners. First of all, we'll have to transfer the net profit or net loss into profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see, in the case of profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. This is the journal entry which is passed to transfer the profit from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. Second entry, in case of losses, the transfer of the loss from profit and loss account to the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to profit and loss account. Interest on capital. Interest on capital is an appropriation. It's an expenditure for the business organization, but it is not a charge against the profit. It is only an appropriation. Interest on capital account will be debited to partner's capital account or current account. When the interest is charged on capital, interest on capital account is debited as it is an expenditure and then it is transferred to the partner's either capital account or current account. Capital account is debited when the capitals are fluctuating and current account is credited when the capitals are fixed. The second entry will be passed to transfer the interest on capital account. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Alternatively, we can pass a single journal entry also if we cancel the interest on capital. The entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's capital account or current account. You must know that interest is always calculated on opening capital. See one question here. We are given in this question, A and B are the partners with a capital of rupees 80,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 12% per annum. Pass the journal entries on 31st of March 2020. Interest on capital account will be debited to A's capital account and to B's capital account. 80,000 is the capital of A. If we calculate 12% of 80,000 rupees, it will be 9600. And B's capital we are given 60,000 rupees. So if you calculate 12% of 60,000, that will be 7200. So the total amount will be 16,800. The next entry will be to transfer this interest on capital into profit and loss appropriation account. It will be charged on 31st of March 2020. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account 16,800 rupees. First journal entry will be interest on capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital, and then profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Let's see the next question here. We are given that Rehan and Suhail are the partners with a capital of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1,50,000 respectively. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Pass the journal entries on 31st of March 2020. Interest on capital account will be debited as it is an expenditure. Rehan's capital and then Suhail's capital account will be credited. We are given 10% of rupees 2 lakh. It means 20,000 and 10% of 1,50,000 will be 15,000. Now the second entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Total amount of 35,000 will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see another question. Umesh and Suresh are the partners with a capital of rupees 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 9% per annum. Pass the journal entries on 31st of March 2020. We are given here interest on capital. As it is an expenditure, it will be debited. And we have to give it to Umesh as well as Suresh. We are using here capital account because when no information is given, it is always assumed that the capital accounts are maintained following fluctuating capital. We have to charge 9% interest on rupees 30,000 for Umesh, that is 2700, and 9% of 20,000 rupees, that is 1800. So the total amount will be debited as rupees 4500. Interest on capital account will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account, that is 4500. First entry we have to pass for charging interest on capital, and then it is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see another question we are given here. M and N are the partners. Their capitals on 1st April 2019 were rupees 1 lakh and rupees 60,000 respectively. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Pass the journal entries on 31st of March 2020, assuming the interest is a charge against the profit. You must know that whatever the charges are there, they are transferred to the profit and loss account instead of profit and loss appropriation account. So first of all, we'll have to charge here interest on capital. Interest on capital account will be debited to M's capital account and to N's capital account. It is 10% on 1 lakh rupee. It means 10,000, and then 10% on rupees 60,000 for N, that is 6,000. So the total amount will be debited as rupees 16,000. The second entry will be profit and loss account debit to interest on capital account. Why we have debited profit and loss account instead of profit and loss appropriation account? Because we are given in the question that interest on capital should be considered as a charge against the profit. So whatever the charges are there, they are debited to the profit and loss account, and if there is an appropriation, it is debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see the next question. X and Y are the partners. Their capitals on 31st of March 2020 were rupees 1,40,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. You can see here we are given the capital as on 31st of March 2020. It means we are given the closing capital. You know that interest on capital is always charged on opening capital. We'll have to calculate here the opening capital. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. During the year, X withdrew rupees 10,000 and Y withdrew rupees 5,000 for the personal use. Profit for the year was rupees 50,000. Pass the journal entries on 31st of March 2020. As we are given here the closing capital, we'll have to calculate first of all the opening capital. First of all, we'll record here the closing capital what we are given for X and Y, that is 1,40,000 and rupees 1 lakh. Now drawing is deducted, so to calculate the opening capital we'll have to add it back. 10,000 for X and 5,000 rupees for Y. So it will be 1,50,000 and rupees 1,05,000. The profit for the year was rupees 50,000, but we are not given here any ratio. In the absence of any information, the profits and losses are shared equally. So this 50,000 will be transferred equally to X and Y, 25,000 each. 1,40,000 rupees as a closing capital. Then drawings will be added. If we wouldn't have withdrawn the money, it would have been 1,50,000. It is 1,50,000 because we have added the profit for the current year, 25,000. If this profit wouldn't have been added, the net capital or the opening capital would have been 1,25,000. Likewise here for Y also, closing capital we are given 1 lakh, then we are given here the drawings 5,000, it will be added 1,05,000. Then profit for the year that is 25,000 will be deducted. So the opening capital for X is rupees 1,25,000 and for Y it is 80,000 rupees. See the interest on capital. X capital is given as rupees 1,25,000. 10% of it will be 12,500, and for Y 10% of 80,000 it is 8,000. Now the journal entries related to interest on capital will be interest on capital account debit to X capital account and to Y's capital account. For X it is 12,500 and for Y it is 8,000 rupees. Now profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account.